Hi guys, I'm going to talk about the Warlock cards for or from the Whispers of the Old God expansion. So yeah, I'm going to start with the card Renounce Darkness. What? First of all, let me say this, that Warlock is actually not one of my favorite classes. I don't like to play Warlock that much. I mean, I just don't like the cards there. Yeah, that's kind of it. The only Warlock I like to play is kind of like Zulok. That's the deck I have, and that's only for leveling it up. So yeah, that's kind of it. So that's why I'm not too good with Warlock cards. So yeah, but I'll try to say my opinion as how I think it would be. Yeah, Renounce Darkness. Replace your hero power with Warlock cards with another classes. The cards cost one less. Okay, this one, it sounds actually pretty good. Yeah, I mean, for me it would be pretty good because I don't like Warlock. But the thing is, it's too random. I mean, you could get cards like shit. I mean, really shitty cards from it. So, and the negative thing about this is you won't get the combinations. Or maybe you'll get them, but it's a risk. I mean, I would not take a risk, so that's kind of a problem. But the thing is that if you want to take a risk and play this, maybe you get some good combos. I mean, like, let's say you're going copying Paladin, you'll get like Equality and Consecration. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And they cost one less. I mean, that's not bad, right? No, actually not. Because it's really rare that you will get it, first of all. And second of all, it's really rare that you'll draw it. I mean, you'll replace all of your Warlock cards, not neutrals, but Warlock cards, with another classes. And that's not good. I mean, you probably in your deck you have combinations you can use cards in, and like if you have a Twisting Nether, you're wasting it. If you have a Siphon Soul, you're wasting it. You're wasting a lot of cards that could make a good combination. So that's why I don't actually like this card so much. Anyway, let's go to next. The next one is a 10 mana cost card. It's called Doom. Destroy all minions, draw a card for each. Okay, as I said, this is only my opinion, but even this card I do not like that much, because it's like a 10 mana cost Twisting Nether. The thing is with this, draw a card for each. Oh yeah, that sounds really good, right? No, it might be good in some ways. If you have almost have an empty hand, then it's kind of good. But it's not too good if you're playing like a control type Warlock. I mean, like a constructed based. So then this card will not be too good, because then you have all those cards in your hand. And if you play this, and if you, let's say, if you play the store like 6 minions, you draw 6 cards, and that is not too good, because you're first of all going to mill a lot of stuff. You're going to lose a lot of cards, and you are going to come closer to fatigue, which is not too good with Warlock because of its hero power. But if it's Arena Lock, I mean, it could work. This could work in Arena Lock, but the problem is that you have too many cards in your hand and you're going to mill a lot. And in the worst case, you mill like Reno Jackson, but I don't think you won't have him from the beginning. But yeah, that's why I don't like this card, because I much rather have a Twisting Nether in my deck. I mean, destroy all minions, good, okay. Twisting Nether does that too, yeah. Draw a card for each. Could be useful in some ways, not always. You have to think when you're going to use this card. You have to like use a cards from your hand. And let's say if you put all minions on the field from your hand just to be able to use this card later on, that's not too smart either, because they're just going to die anyway. So you don't win a lot on this card, so you lose a bit. Well, anyway, that's my opinions. Thanks for watching, and I will actually upload a video of me completing my Paladin quest today, pretty soon actually. Well, yeah, that's kinda it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys watch my later video, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.